In this video, I'll show you how to fix the 403 forbidden error in Google Chrome on Android. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, tap Apps or App Management, depending on your device. Scroll down and select Google Chrome from the list of installed apps. Now tap Permissions. Make sure Chrome has the necessary permissions enabled, such as Files and Media, Location, and any other permissions required by the websites you visit. Once you've checked the permissions, go back and tap on Storage Usage. Now tap Clear Cache. You can also tap Manage Space if the problem continues. Now restart your Android phone. Once your phone turns back on, open Google Chrome and try visiting the website again. If the issue was caused by corrupted browser data or a temporary problem, the 403 forbidden error should now be resolved. That's it! This is how you can fix the 403 forbidden error in Google Chrome on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!